What if you could make money selling products without ever creating one yourself? No inventory, no customer complaints, no failed product launches keeping you up at night. Sounds too good to be true, but it's not. In fact, there are 5 legitimate ways to get paid for selling other companies' products online. Some of them require zero investment to start, and with one of them, you can earn passive income on autopilot. I am Eustache from AskEustache.com. And in this video, I'm breaking down all 5 methods, what they are, how they work, what the pros and cons are, and which one might be the right fit for you. If you're interested in creating content and digital products that you can monetize, subscribe to my channel. I have been a digital marketer since 2013, and I break down what I know works into actionable steps. The first method for selling other people's products and profiting, and honestly, my favorite, is affiliate marketing. Here's the basic idea. A company has a product. You promote it. Someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. That's it. You never touch the product. You don't handle shipping. You don't do customer support. Your job is simply to get people to know, trust, and buy the product. Now here's where it gets interesting. With digital products, things like software, online courses, or SaaS tools, commissions can go up to 200% of the sale price. That means if someone buys a $100 product, you could make $200. The company does that because they know the lifetime value of that customer is worth it. And some affiliate programs pay over $500 per sale. I'm talking web hosting, email marketing tools, business software, products that bloggers and entrepreneurs actually need and use every day. There are also what's called recurring affiliate programs, where you earn a commission every single month as long as the customer stays subscribed. That's where passive income really kicks in. The traffic strategy matters here. You can promote your affiliate links on social media, YouTube, or, and this is the most powerful long-term play, a blog with SEO. When you rank for the right keywords, people find your content organically, click your links, and you earn without having to post every day. Pros: no investment required, no inventory, no customer service. Passive income potential is real. Cons: it takes time to build trust and traffic. You're not building a product of your own. But for anyone starting from zero, this is where I tell you to begin. Method number 2 is print on demand, and this one is underrated. Here's how it works. Companies like Teespring or Printify have physical products ready. T-shirts, mugs, hoodies, sneakers, even books. You upload your designs, they print and ship when someone orders. You keep the margin. You set your own price, you don't manage inventory, you don't ship anything. The company does all of that. You can sell on their built-in marketplace or set up your own branded store, sometimes with a custom domain, for free. This model works especially well if you have a niche audience, a community around a topic, a brand, a cause, or even a content channel. Think about it. If you're a creator with even a small following, you can launch merch without spending $1 upfront. You can also self-publish physical books on Amazon through Kindle Direct Publishing. Same concept. Write it digitally, Amazon prints and ships it on demand. Pros: free to start. No inventory. You control your pricing and branding. Cons: competition is tough. You need to stand out with your designs and keyword research. If you treat it seriously though, research what people are searching for, create designs around that demand, print on demand can become a passive income stream too. Method 3 is dropshipping, and this one requires a small investment, but it's still lean. Here's the model. You start an online store. You list products from a vendor. When a customer buys from you, you order from the vendor and they ship directly to the customer. You never hold the product. The key difference from affiliate marketing is that you're building your own store and your own brand. The customer buys from you, they may never know who the supplier is. Pros: you can run it from anywhere. Low startup cost, no inventory or fulfillment headaches. Cons: you don't control stock levels. A product can go out of stock after a customer orders it. And if a vendor ships something late or of low quality, you're the one who gets the complaint. So choosing the right vendors is critical. Do your homework before listing anything in your store. Method 4 is direct sales, and I want to be real with you about this one. Direct sales companies, think Amway, Avon, Stella, and Dot, let you sign up as a reseller. You buy products at a lower price, sell them at retail, and keep the difference. Some give you a personal website to sell from. The appeal is that you can also build a team under you and earn from their sales, climbing tiers for higher payouts. But here's my honest take. Most of these operate as multi-level marketing structures. That means the real income often comes from recruiting other people, not from selling the actual product. And you usually have to buy inventory upfront, attend meetings, and push hard on your personal network. I don't recommend these to most people unless you already have a reliable audience or customer base who will actually buy what you're selling. If you're considering it, research the company carefully before putting any money in. Method 5 is wholesale. This is the most traditional of the 5. You buy products in bulk directly from a manufacturer at a discounted price, then resell at a higher price, online or in a physical store. Unlike dropshipping, you manage inventory and handle shipping yourself. That's more work, but it also gives you more control over quality, over timing, over the customer experience. The real edge with wholesale is you can reduce competition by selling locally or in your specific region. If you're the only person in your area carrying a certain product, that's a real advantage. Pros, you can dominate a local market. Strong manufacturer relationships can give you exclusive deals. Cons, you need more capital to start. Finding trustworthy manufacturers takes effort, and there's more legal groundwork involved. This model is better for someone ready to build a more structured business, not a beginner starting from zero. So let me quickly summarize which method fits who. Affiliate marketing, best for content creators, bloggers, and anyone starting with no money. Highest passive income potential. Print on demand, best if you have a brand, a niche, or a creative angle. Also free to start. Dropshipping, best if you want to build your own store and brand. Small investment required. Direct sales, only if you have a ready market. High risk, proceed with caution. Wholesale, best for people ready to build a physical or local business with more capital. My personal recommendation? Start with affiliate marketing. Build your audience. Learn what they need. Then layer in other income streams as you grow. The link to the full written breakdown is in the description. It covers all 5 methods in detail with the specific programs and platforms I recommend. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It tells YouTube this content is worth sharing and it helps other people find it. Subscribe if you want more content on affiliate marketing, blogging, and building real income online. And drop a comment. Which of these 5 methods are you going to try first? I read every comment. I am Eustache from AskEustache.com. See you in the next one.